Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram story if the music is not working. And first of all, open your mobile phone and open Instagram. Now as you can see, if I go to my story, the music is working all fine. But if the music is not working on your Instagram, then go to your profile, go to these three bars that is on the top right corner, click on it and click on settings. Scroll down a little bit and log out from your account and hit continue. As you can see, log in again and hit continue. Then it would be working all fine. If it's still not working, then restart your mobile phone and open your Instagram again, log in your existing account and it would be working all fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.